Hello YouTubes, it's Too Cools too. This is update 2, I believe, of the blizzard that's in New York City and the whole Northeast from January 28th to the 29th, 2022. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. Wow, right on time. Sorry if I sound a bit muffled. I didn't realize that in the past videos. You know, I have material on my face to keep me warm, so I was muffling my voice. I'll try to speak up here. You see tons of snow. I mean, look at this car here. It is 11:45 in the morning on January 29th. Again, if I haven't said it already, for those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. The storm is going to be continuing throughout the day, tapering off around 7, 8 p.m. and by midnight I'll be out of here. You see snow steadily coming down, lots of wind. Big truck. Look at the wind. Right now it's 17 degrees. Winds are around 25 miles per hour sustained. So far, how much snow has fallen? Well, I'm going to show you where I measured here. So I measured 8.5 inches for South Brooklyn over here. I was looking at the snow totals from earlier and showed the biggest amount I saw was 8 in Staten Island. So maybe I found the new record here. And the storm is not really done. We still have some 7 to 8 hours to go. The heavy bands are now setting up along Long Island. We're going to be seeing snowfall rates of 3 inches per hour. It's a weekend, so they'll try and enjoy themselves. The snow itself, let's see. Still very light, powdery snow. Easy to shovel. A lot of snow is drifting in a bit in the wind. So let me show you what I measured here. Unfortunately, my tape measure is not letting the ruler stay extended, so it may be hard to show one hand. I'll do my best. This was the spot, since it didn't look like any drifts was affecting the area. Get the ruler here. Oh, okay, let's see. There we go, 8.5. So, a pretty good amount so far. And again, this area of snow is untouched for the most part. So it'll be a good spot to measure from. Whew. I have 2 layers on and it is cold. Gloves on too. A lot of people shoveling. You see, the streets don't look that bad because the plows and the salt and whatnot. Yeah, again, those heavy bands are setting themselves up along Long Island. 3 inches per hour snowfall. So they're going to be seeing some pretty big numbers there. I believe for at least where I am, it's going to be another additional 3 to 5 inches for the rest of the day. And this morning I measured around 5. I'm not sure if it was from that point or from now. So I guess we'll see by when this is over. See, I hate when people shovel. I can't find a good spot to measure from. That's the problem. A lot of these cars are very when you're having fun finding their cars. It's hard to see. Looks like someone here successfully pulled out. It's hard to see. The snow is blowing in my face again. Sustained wind is 25 miles per hour. Yeah, see my previous videos, the previous footage. Go check them out. I generally try to document storms. I have a forecast video as well, where one of the forecasts is showing 32 inches of snow for the city. So that's why I'm one of the models. Not my forecast. cancellations, where other areas have blizzard warnings in effect. Power outages. I believe Massachusetts has 100,000 without power. Rhode Island has banned all travel. Tons of flight cancellations across the Northeast. I think LaGuardia has canceled 98% of their flights. Makes sense. Not really a good day for travel, especially just stay home, stay warm. Guys, I think it's going to end the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and view the playlist of all the footage I have. I'll have it in the end cards somewhere. And that'll be it. I'll try to make a video in a few hours, maybe around 3 p.m. Alright, bye guys.